I would do it from down here. As you can see, we've laid out drop cloths to try to protect the owner's property. Coming down into here. Short back is because they had to clean up the flood from the old tank. Here it is. This is the animal we're taking out. Look at the size of this thing. There's 80 gallons of hot water sitting here all the time. You're paying to heat this thing and reheat it constantly. This thing's going to take everything we've got to get out. Never mind get a new one in. When you see the new one and the space it takes up, you're going to be amazed. So what we're going to do is we're going to cut this one out, we're going to push it aside, bring it outside, and bring the new one in.